So I decided to try to make five different potato meals with just 5,000 naira. And this is definitely mind blowing because I was able to achieve it and I'm happy. So I actually went to get all of this. I'm going to be showing you a full video on every single thing I got when I went shopping for this potato meal. So I'm just going to prep all my ingredients as I usually do, wash everything that needs to be washed, and I will start grating. So for my pepper, I'm going to be using only my pepper and onion. I'm not using tomato for my porridge. So here is a list of everything I'm using. I'm using the local Ugba. So if you're an Igbo woman or an Igbo man, you definitely know what Ugba looks like or what it tastes like. It's actually very, very yummy and I loved it. But I'm not actually an Igbo girl, but somehow, I have been eating Ugba for a very long time because I love abacha. So for this particular recipe, all you need to do is go in first with your potato, let that steam for a little bit, then you want to go in with your oil. So the reason I went in with my oil and crayfish first is because Nigerian oil sometimes tastes awful. This particular oil was okay, but I wanted it to be totally cooked before I started making this meal. I wanted it to be totally boiled, like the oil should be cooked and it should just marry each other inside my pot. That was why I went in with the oil first. Then I went in with my crayfish, I went in with my salt, my pepper mix, that's my pepper and onion mix. I went in with my seasoning cube. As of this period, the light had gone off, so I just had to make do with what I had. So I went in again with my ugba. And if you know me, I love ugba. And I'm sure one person will definitely be trying this recipe because this recipe, it slapped, it banged. It was so yummy. Then I went in with my vegetable. Actually, you want to put your vegetable last. You don't want to put your vegetable early enough because I don't want the vegetable to totally melt. I still want to have the greeny feel of my ugu. So I'm using ugu leaf for this particular recipe. You can use other leaves, but I just love my ugu leaf in this particular recipe. So I'm just going to stir this together and let it sit for a little bit more, about 1 minute. Then I am going to dish out the food. This recipe is something you need to try for your family because tell me why your children does not like porridge. If you cook this, they would love it. Even my daughter who does not like ugba, she actually had this and was like, oh no, I think I love this. So if you have children like that are picky eaters, there are so many food I've posted so far that you can actually try out to see if they would eat it. Meanwhile, if you have watched to this moment, thank you for watching. We really do appreciate. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel